Ever wished you could prep a presentation without typing a single word? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use voice typing in Google Slides, an incredibly useful feature that lets you speak your notes instead of writing them out. If you like working hands-free or just want to save time, stick with me because this makes your workflow so much smoother. First, open your web browser and go to Google Slides. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. If you're not logged in yet, just enter your credentials or create a free account. It only takes a moment and lets you save your projects to the cloud so you can access them from anywhere. Once you're in the Slides homepage, you'll see your existing presentations and options to start new ones. Click on a blank presentation if you want to start fresh, or choose one of the built-in templates. Templates are great if you want a quick professional layout without designing from scratch. After your presentation opens, you're ready to start voice typing. Look at the menu bar at the top of the screen and click Tools. From the dropdown, select Dictate Speaker Notes. The feature will turn on and you'll notice a small Click to Speak button appear at the bottom of your slide. When you're ready, click that button and start talking. Google will begin transcribing what you say directly into the Speaker Notes section of your slide. You don't have to type anything. Just speak at a clear, calm pace and the tool will handle the rest using Google's speech recognition. For the best accuracy, use a working microphone and try to be in a quiet space. If there's background noise or multiple people talking nearby, move somewhere quieter so your voice is picked up cleanly. If your mic hasn't been set up properly, check your device audio settings before you begin. When you finish speaking, click the stop button to end the transcription. You can immediately scroll through your notes to clean up any errors or reword anything you want to polish. It's easy to edit after the fact, so don't worry about being perfect on the first try. And that's all there is to it. Voice typing in Google Slides is a simple but powerful way to speed up your prep and stay focused on your message instead of your keyboard. If this helped you out, explore other Google Slides tools and keep leveling up your presentations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.